Right, so we're back. We're gonna try and put this in there. Hopefully. I don't know if you're supposed to be all the way back or just out this much. So we're gonna try and do it this way. Fortunately, these are a little bit longer than the drawer, so I can actually see a little bit. It's the first time I've done this, so I heard it click on both sides. So, it seems like our clearance is good underneath. The drawer has a little catch where it's like a loose pull or whatever, however you want to say it. And then it kind of, if you pull, it has a little slow thing. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of cool. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. So, it's a little bit hard to pull it first. Then you get past that little part there, and it's pretty good here. Comes out even more than the drawer. That's kind of cool, I guess. And then, the back is pretty nice, and it's got a thing where you can't really slam it, where it pulls itself in. So, there we go. Done. Actually worked. That what we measured to give us a 1/4 inch clearance on the bottom, that actually seemed to work because if we go underneath there, I'll turn it upside down. Oh, okay. Actually see that? That's about right. About a 1/4 inch of clearance on the bottom. And then when we close it, it's about the same uniform here as say this drawer is from this one is from this one, etc. So I think that worked out really well. Seems about perfect. The gap is the same as on here, basically on all these. So yeah, that worked out really good. And it's not broken anymore, which is great. It's a great. So just one further thing. If the slider going under there was like not really that solid, or if it breaks in the future, since this is 3/4 inch plywood on the sides back in here, on both sides of my cabinet, I would probably put a spacer and actually tie the rail itself into the sidewall there. You can do a couple screws and do that, but this seems pretty solid, and unless it breaks, I'm not going to do that. So just a further thing that I could have done, but depending on your cabinets, you can work different things out, but the brackets seem to work okay. So there we go. I'm going to install the drawer slider, and it's got that cool little end thing there which pulls it in and makes it anti-slam and all that too, which is great for little kids. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this video helps you. Kind of a tough project in some instances, in that it's hard to reach some angles, but overall went pretty smoothly, and super happy with these sliders so far. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope it helps. Like, subscribe, probably do more videos as I have things to do around the house, which pretty much everyone does. Okay, bye.